everybody, welcome back. Today I have a very quick haul for you, just showing you a few of the recent things that I've bought from a couple of stores. So I have some $2 stores here in Australia and from eBay. So we'll jump straight into it. I'll start with the eBay stuff because there's not as much. So got some sequins, just a really nice sort of rich pink holographic one. And then also this nice lavender holographic one. I've done a massive order of eBay stuff and it's slowly coming in. I bought these bows. This is a bow die. And as you can see, it's got 3 different sizes of bows. I made the biggest one for you. The reason I got this was because it was really small. Look at it. This is this die here. So this is this one. If you didn't know, when like bow dies, so this is the base, then you wrap the piece over the top, and then that is your part here. So that's that. Look at it, it's so tiny. I can't wait to use these. These will be really nice for making DIY embellishments, which is something I've been doing a lot of lately. If you want to see some of the things I've created, my Instagram is down below. That's where I post a lot of my DIY embellishment photos. I also bought these butterflies, again, DIY embellishments. So these ones are like this and they have the stitching on them so that when you when you cut them, the little dots around here that you can see will all be embossed into the paper. I'm going to do DIY embellishments with this one as well, so I really like that one. And then I also bought this nesting die, if I can get it open, of some banners. So I'm going to make some banners. These are going to be fantastic for scrapbooking as well as DIY embellishments. So there's just 3 sizes there. And as you can see, it's really small. So that's my eBay stuff. And then the other day I went to a $2 shop, and while I was there I picked up this tulle. As you can see, it's got like glitter and like sequins on it, and it was really nice. And I think it was like $3 for like 15 meters. Absolutely amazing. I've used it so many times already. I also got some crepe paper, so just this nice blue and then this nice purple. I've been making DIY embellishments again. I got this packet of pearls. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 8, 9, and then 10. So 10 packets of pearls for, can you see that? $5. Bargain. So that was one of the $2 shops that I went to, and then I went to another one where I picked up, you know, just some hot glue gun sticks. I've run out. I think these were like $2 for a packet of 20, so very cheap. I also bought this thread, and it's 50 meters per spool, and I'm going to use these again, DIY embellishments. That's kind of what I got the majority of this for. Picked up this, which is a liquid pearl drop. I don't have like Nuvo drops or anything, so I couldn't compare it to that if you wanted me to, but I just got it in Snow White. That's what it says on the back, and this actually dries clear. It's not Snow White, so don't know how I'm going to use that yet, but it's fine. Then I got these, what is this called? A napkin, and what I'm going to use these for is probably art journaling, but what I do is when I use it is I actually, oh, if I can get it off, I don't think I can, here we go. I pull it off like this. I take the white backing off and I just use this. This is really great when you're doing art journaling because it gives a nice, it pushes it into the background a lot when you take off this white lining. So that's one thing I got. Now, give you guys a quick sneak peek of the embellishments that I made with these supplies. So I've got this. Oh, I love it. I'll have a video of how I made these next month. And then I've also got this one as well. I love them. I think they're amazing and I can't wait to use them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick haul video sharing my new purchases for snail mail. I'm so excited to get making. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I love it when people do this in haul videos. They show everything that they've got. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all on the weekend for a layout. Bye everyone.